Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can disconnect Instagram from Facebook. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Instagram and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the bottom, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of the sections. Here you're going to find the home section, search, explore, reels, and lastly right here, you're going to find your profile icon. So right now, go ahead and click on your profile icon and then go ahead and click on this icon in the top right corner. Once you do that, you're going to be right here. Here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find all of the settings related to your uh, Instagram account. So right now, go ahead and click on Account Center. Once you do that, right here, you're going to find profiles, sharing across profiles, logging in with accounts, and so on. So go ahead and click on Accounts here in the bottom. Review the accounts you have in this account center. Go ahead and click on accounts. And then as you can see guys right here, you can add or remove accounts from this account center. Removing an account will also remove any profiles managed by that account. So right now, if you want to unlink them, just go ahead and remove Facebook. Just click on remove. And then they're going to ask you, are you sure you want to remove your Facebook accounts from the account center? So if you are sure about that, go ahead and click on remove account. Then your Facebook account will lose access to connected experiences. This will not delete or deactivate your account. So right now, if you want to add an account to this account center, click on add an account and then you're going to be able to add another account. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.